The stock of the day is brought to you by IG, Australia's #1 CFD provider. Trade over 17,000 markets with extended trading hours on key US shares and competitive spreads, all on an award-winning platform. Get started at IG.com.
And our stock of the day is Mineral Resources, having provided a quarterly update. It says it's on track to meet its FY26 volume and cost guidance across all divisions. It reported record quarterly iron ore production across its Onslow Iron and Pilbara Hub assets of 10.9 million wet metric tonnes. The Onslow Iron project delivering or significantly contributing to the records by achieving a 50% increase in shipments and completing haul road upgrades, ensuring a $200 million payment from Morgan Stanley. The company's shares further buoyed by a 31% rise in lithium prices and solid performance in its mining services and energy segments, maintaining to track FY26 guidance. So, what do our experts think? This has had trouble, of course, this stock, trouble in C-suite, trouble with its haulage road at the same time. Howard, I know, having spoken with you guys before at Team Invest, you said if you're going to own one resource stock, this has been in the past, but that was more when it was focused on mining services. So what do you think about that?
Yeah, I mean, I personally did very well out of it. I bought some at $3.50, some at $8.50, some in the early 20s. Didn't get out when it got right up to the top, I should have, but got out when it was about $50. So I've personally done very well out of the company, but I got out not because of any concern about the business. They are fantastic business operators. In fact, Chris Ellison runs an incredibly good business, but all sorts of related party transactions. When I've got an agent running my money, which is what's happening when you're a shareholder and you've got people running the company, you want to know that they aren't feathering their own nests at the expense of shareholders. And to discover that he was doing that sort of thing, I think is, or that it would appear to be, according to everything we've heard, I mean, nothing is absolutely proven, I think is absolutely horrendous. And our Team Invest members were horrified. So Team Invest members went from being completely happy and relaxed with owning MIN to saying trustworthiness of management is our single biggest thing we look for when we're looking at any business. And it no longer passes that filter. So no matter how well the Onslow Road is doing, no matter how much lithium prices go up, I don't think you'd get any Team Invest members logically saying, I would happily trust this management and I'm happy to own shares in the company. And certainly that's my view.
All right, so I know, but if you held the stock, would you hang on or would you sell?
No, I'd sell it.
Yeah.
I'm not prepared to own anything where I feel I don't trust the management.
All right, there you go. It is a buy and a sell for our stock of the day, Mineral Resources.
The stock of the day was brought to you by IG. Trade over 12,000 shares and ETFs, including major tech giants with extended hours on an award-winning platform. Get started at IG.com.